Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change your role on Remind School Communication app. Now if you want to change the role of yourself on the Remind School Communication app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are asking about how to change a role in Remind, then you can simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first basic step will be to install the Remind app on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device, and after that open the Remind app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you won't be able to change the role. So here you will see the various options like messages, files, people and settings. Now you need to click on the profile icon, which will be at the very top left, or the three straight lines at the very top left, and here you will see the option of new message, add class, all conversation and all of it. And here you need to click on the option of settings, which is next to your name, and here you will see the option like your account, notifications, family member, and also click on the option of your account. So after selecting the account settings, you need to scroll down to the role section, and from here you will see the option of new role. Like if you want to select for teachers, students, parent or administrator, you need to choose the role accordingly, and you need to click on the option of save changes, or you may simply exit to do the autosave on the Remind app. So if the role is assigned by your school administration, then you may need to ask them to update it. But if you are switching from student to teacher, Remind may acquire additional verification that you are a teacher trying to switch the roles. So all of it matters. So that's it. That's how you can change the role on Remind School Communication app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.